program has that will give inmates the opportunity to be productive members of society again. We'll have the details from this report from Bianca Piedad.
Who would have thought that all is not lost, and in fact there is still much hope for some of our fellow Filipinos who are behind bars. In the new program, Believe It, our information technology program, prisoners are given another shot at a decent life by educating them. The better for them to be on par with the workforce of our country after they have already served their prison sentences. Jack, who still has 10 months jail time, is one of the beneficiaries of the program.
Kahit nakakulong kami rito, nakapag-aral kami. Ayun lang, marami na hindi naman para sa ano to para din sa amin din. Kaya minsan pag mga may programa, bumawagat kami para matuto.
Pagkatapos na ng program na to, ano ba lang nakalaya ka na?
Bala ko na i-improve pa yung sarili ko, makapaghanap na trabaho at saka makapag-aral ulit ng mga basta makakuha ng kurso at paribago.
Believe It, which is a collaboration between the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Informatics, and the Technical and Education Skills Development Authority, will grant scholarships to deserving minimum security detainees who do not have the means to study but have obtained the recommendation of the jail warden. According to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, who launched the said program, this will help pave the way for the advancement of reforms and the rehabilitation of the criminal justice system in the country.
Kaya po tayo meron Believe It or Believe It project. Tayo po naniniwala na sa kahit saan sitwasyon po tayo, nasa ibabaw man, nasa ilalim, during good times, during bad times, ay meron parating pag-asa. At nabalitaan ko na sa Amerika, sa loob mismo ng mga detention centers o dun sa mga jails, ay merong call center.
The senator adds, the initiative was a take-off from the successful program in the U.S. where inmates were allowed to become call center agents to handle less sensitive matters. Meanwhile, officials of BJMP, TESDA, and Informatics expressed support for the program.
This program is indeed fully consonant with BJMP's aftercare program since it was designed to provide the inmates with indispensable skills to rejoin the country's workforce upon their eventual reintegration to the society.
Lagi po namin pinagmamalaki sa TESDA, may choice ka. At hindi ko mo ikaw ay nasa loob na ng bilangguan, wala ka ng choice. Kaya nga po nasa loob ng bilangguan, dahil gusto nating i-rehabilitate, gusto nating maging buhay pa rin yung pag-asa para sa kanila.
Hindi po Gangnam Style ang gagawin natin dito, kundi Believe It style po.
Courses that will be offered to qualified detainees are basic IT course, Adobe Photoshop, computer hardware servicing, finishing course for call center, and web design. Since the program will have its pilot testing only in Camp Bagong Diwa, other localities are also encouraged to try to emulate the same project to help harness the skills of prisoners while in jail. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.